Hello and welcome to my channel Astronetram. My name is Ullas Patole and I am astrologer by profession. Now, since last couple of months, people have been asking whether are there any indications in their horoscope about this COVID-19 virus, and everybody has a fear about this COVID-19 now. So it's right on their part to find out astrologically whether uh, is it possible in their horoscope to get this COVID-19, whether they will get this disease, whether they will become all right, or whether anything else can happen. So in medical astrology, when we talk about the any kind of diseases, we generally look at all the houses because all the houses of your horoscope are generally associated with uh, different parts of your body. Similarly, the planets, different planets are associated with your different parts of your body. So, when we talk about this COVID 19, which is a relatively new kind of a disease, but it is a disease which is like any other disease or any other uh, health issue that can uh, crop up. So, when we want to see any indications in our horoscope about the COVID 19, what we have to do is to first look at the symptoms of the COVID 19. So, what do the doctors say? When can they decide whether a person has got COVID 19 or not? So, the first symptom is that high fever, a very high fever, which is not there in the normal case, normal fever or flu attack. This kind of fever is not there. Secondly, high density of cough, breathlessness, continuous coughing, uh, can't breathe, or shivering of the body. This is the second symptom. Third is excessive amount of loose motions. Now, all these things combined together, we can reach a conclusion that a person can have COVID 19. Now, in your horoscope also, you can have a look at your horoscope. We generally, when we talk about this COVID 19, because I am not going to discuss about the other aspects of medical astrology in this video, because it is, I will make a separate video on medical astrology. But right now, we are only discussing about the COVID 19 and whether you will have it or not. Now, as I said, these are the symptoms which are associated with different planets. Now, high fever, for example. High fever is generally associated with the planet Mars, Sun, and the ascending node, which in Vedic astrology or in Indian astrology we call it Rahu. So, if this combination is there somewhere in your horoscope, especially in the 6th house, 8th house, or 12th house, generally you have a tendency to have blood related issues or high fever, acidity, and different types of things. So, generally, when we talk about COVID 19, the high fever is associated with these planets. Then, secondly, breathlessness, cough, and the swollen lungs. This is another symptom. Now, these are associated with Saturn and Mercury, and to certain extent Pluto. So Saturn Pluto combination, generally we have seen that swelling of the lungs or different kinds of lung related elements are seen in this. So when we talk about the third, that is excessive kind of loose motions, again that is related to your stomach, and stomach generally we see the presence of Jupiter, because stomach is associated liver, your liver is especially is associated with the Jupiter, then Mercury for your bowel movements, and again Ketu and Rahu, they play very important role in your indigestion or these kind of symptoms. So all this combined together, if a person has all these planets uh, in their 6th, 8th or 12th house with uh, a very bad influence of other planets, malefic planets rather, either at the time of birth or during their major periods which are called Mahadashas, and at the same time if they have these problems during the current transits, then definitely a person can have the symptoms of COVID-19. Again, when we uh, see the intensity of the disease, because when we talk about the disease, although lakhs of people have suffered in the world, lakhs of people have recovered also. So why they have recovered? Because there is a strong combination of planets in their horoscope which give them protection. So there is nothing to fear about it. So if your horoscope is strong enough and if you have a protection on your 6th, 8th and 12th house, definitely, even if you suffer from COVID-19 or any other disease, you have a lot of chances to survive. And generally, if you have a proper protection of all this protection on all these houses, definitely you will not suffer from COVID-19, because although this pandemic is there all over the world, not all the people are suffering now. So to be on the positive side, we no doubt we have to analyze the situation in our horoscope, which will give you a clear indication. A person who has the knowledge of astrology, or who is thorough in medical astrology rather, can definitely give you a precise idea about whether you will have COVID-19 or not. So you can just have a look at your own horoscope if you have little knowledge about the astrology, or otherwise you can just forward your horoscope to me on the details I have given in the description, and then I will go through your horoscope and will be able to tell you whether are there any indications of COVID-19 in your horoscope, and if there are, of course, there are remedies associated with it. So we can do the remedies when there are thousands of diseases for which medicines have come in the market. For COVID also medicine will definitely come, but astrology is different, because in astrology we have number of solutions by different methods. Like we have yantras, we have mantras, and we have ratnas, and we have different types of talismans or kavach, which we can definitely protect you, or protect your health, protect your life. So this was an attempt to just inform you that COVID-19 is nothing but, as for your horoscope, if the planets which I have mentioned in this video are having a bad influence of some malefic planets, they can give you some symptoms which may be or may not be COVID-19. So if you want to consult, of course, you can go to any qualified astrologer and have a look at your own horoscope. If you want to consult me, I have given you my number in the description, and definitely you can send me your chart, and for a very nominal fees, I will be able to tell you whether you will have this disease, this virus attack, what will be its impact, and what are the ways of protecting yourself and to come out of it. Till then, thank you.